In today's video, I am going to teach you how to connect Mailchimp to your Wix website. Connecting Mailchimp to your Wix website is a useful way to bring your website and email marketing tools together. Once the connection is set up, you can sync important contact information from Wix into Mailchimp depending on the options you choose during setup. This can help you manage your audience more easily and keep your marketing workflows organized. Before you begin, make sure you have access to both your Wix account and your Mailchimp account because you will need to sign in and approve the connection between the two platforms. To get started, open your web browser and go to the Mailchimp for Wix integration page. This is the page where Mailchimp provides the official connection flow for linking a Wix website with your Mailchimp account. Take a moment to make sure you are on the correct integration page before continuing. Using the official integration page helps ensure that you are connecting the two services through the proper authorization process. Once you are on the Mailchimp for Wix integration page, look for the button that says Connect and Continue. Click Connect and Continue to begin the setup process. This button starts the connection between Mailchimp and Wix, and it will guide you into the next part of the authorization flow. After clicking it, allow the page a few moments to load, because you may be redirected to sign in or to confirm which Wix site you want to use. Next, log into your Wix account. If you are already signed in, Wix may take you directly to the site selection screen. If not, enter your Wix login details using your own account information. Be careful not to share or display any private login information while recording or following along. After signing in, Wix will show the websites connected to your account. Choose the website that you want to connect to Mailchimp. This part is important if you manage more than one Wix site because the integration needs to know exactly which website should send data to Mailchimp. After selecting the correct website, you will be asked to approve the integration. Click Agree and Add. This allows the Mailchimp integration to be added to your chosen Wix website. You may see a short loading screen while Wix processes the request. This approval step is what gives the two platforms permission to work together. So make sure you are comfortable with the connection before continuing. If Wix displays any permission details, review them briefly so you understand what access is being granted. Now you will continue through the prompts to link your Mailchimp account. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. You may be asked to log into Mailchimp, confirm your account, or approve the connection from the Mailchimp side. If you are already logged in, this part may move quickly. If you need to sign in, use your own Mailchimp account details and continue through the approval screens. The goal here is to confirm that Wix is allowed to connect with Mailchimp so that the integration can sync information between the two services. Once your Mailchimp account is linked, you will move into the data sync settings. This is where you configure how information should be synced between Wix and Mailchimp. Review the available options on the screen and choose the settings that match how you want your contact data to be handled. Depending on what appears in your setup flow, you may see options related to syncing contacts or choosing how data is transferred. Take your time here because these settings help determine what information is sent into Mailchimp. After you have reviewed and configured the data sync settings, click Sync Now. This starts the syncing process using the settings you selected. The sync may take a little time, especially if there is already contact data associated with your Wix website. Wait for the process to complete or for the page to confirm that the sync has started successfully. Once it is done, your Wix website and Mailchimp account should be connected. That covers everything you need to know. Your Mailchimp account is now connected to your Wix website, and your data sync settings have been configured.